I love a good wreath, so let's make a cute little deco mesh wreath. We're going to be using like kind of like the burlap method for this right here. So I have two different types of deco mesh that I'm going to be using. I got these, of course, on sale. You always grab them when they're on sale because they are a good discount. You get them at Michael's, Hobby Lobby. You can even get some from Dollar Tree. Those won't be on sale. They'll just be $1.25 for the row. So I'm using this small wreath form that I had from Dollar Tree with the little Easter ears on it, just to reuse it. You can take and save those ears. You can make other DIYs with those. The bottom piece did break off, but that's okay because we're going to be doing something different on the bottom. You can buy these small wreaths separately, but I just like to reuse things. So I'm going to take and I'm going to secure the deco mesh on the end. And if you were doing this with the burlap, you would do it the same way. You would take and you would secure it, and then you would just go in and out as you feel enough to, until it's enough to fill it in the way that you want it to. So you're just going to take and make little loops basically. So we're going to start in the inside, make a little loop. I'm making it about 1.5 fingers high, if that makes sense for you. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to come in and go in the front, twist it, go back in on the other side, and then you can fluff these out when you're done. And then you're just going to take and you're going to continue to do that, just going in and out, making them the height that you want them to, and then just continue until you are done. Once you have gotten into the end of it, then you can take, like I said, and you can fluff them out. But you can see this roll, this was a brand new roll of mesh, went almost around the whole thing. So just about 2 for the small ones, you can get away with that. The bigger they are, the more that you're going to have to use. But once you get to the end, you're just going to secure it the same way that you did at the beginning. You're going to take and you're just going to do it. I did mine with zip ties, so they are like just the easiest way that I have found to do this. And then you just secure it like that. But you can secure it other ways if you don't like to use zip ties. Then for if you needed more to fill in, you would just start the roll again. I was going to go in with this white. I wanted to do like a two-tone type look. But this mesh, as you can see, it's like double the size of the other one. I didn't want to cut it because, you know, sometimes you get that little fray in there. So I was trying to use it as is, but then it came out to be just a little bit too bulky for me. So I did end up taking that off. But my original idea was to go in with this and then add the greenery so that the greenery would have like a nice little base to it. But you can see what it folded over there. It is just a lot of bulkiness, so I didn't want to continue with that. But like I said, you would just do it the same way. You would secure it where you start, so when you run out of one, you're just going to secure it, keep going, and then secure it when you end it off. So white zip ties would work great with this because it is deco mesh and it's kind of like sheer, but the red wasn't a big problem. I have this greenery that I did get from Michael's, again on sale. You always get them on sale, and Michael's too, if you didn't know. They have a lot of promotions. When you spend a certain amount, you get those $5 vouchers. These flowers I brought with the $5 voucher, so basically free. So then you just pop those off the stem, and then I have these little flowers right here. So I had the greenery, and I had those, and they were on sale. And so like both of them with the sale price ended up being $5. And then again, just popping them off. Once you do all the placement that you like, you can secure it with hot glue. I did, like I said, come in and take out the deco mesh. So I tied the green pieces down at the bottom. And then for the flowers, you can secure it, like I said, with hot glue once you figure out your placement. And that is it. You have a cute door wreath.